In this video, I'm going to show you how to solve a polynomial equation using the zero product property. In order for us to be able to use the zero product property, which says that if the product of two or three factors is equal to zero, that means one or two or all of them have to be equal to zero. So that means in order for us to solve this polynomial equation, we have to write it in a form where we have a product of something on one side and zero on the other side. So to start, I'm going to bring all the terms to one side by adding 36x to both sides. And then I'm going to write the polynomial on the left-hand side in standard form. And now the question is, can we factor this polynomial? First thing we always do is we factor out the greatest common factor. In this case, it is x. And since the leading coefficient is negative, to make it easier for me to factor out the rest, I'm going to factor out negative as well. So by taking out negative x, we have x squared minus 5x minus 36 left. And now to factor out x squared minus 5x minus 36, I'm going to start looking for two numbers whose product is negative 36 and whose sum is negative 5. Negative 1 times 36 doesn't work, negative 2 times 18 doesn't work, negative 3 times 12 doesn't work, negative 4 times 9 almost works. The sum is equal to 5. That means the what I'm looking for is actually not the negative 4, 9, but 4 and negative 9. And as you can tell, 4 and negative 9 works perfectly. That means I can further factor out the expression into x plus 4 times x minus 9. Now we have a polynomial in factored form on the left, 0 on the right, and by the zero product property, we conclude that x equals to 0, or x plus 4 equals to 0, or x minus 9 equals to 0. That gives us the following solutions. So 0, negative 4, or 9 are the solutions of this polynomial equation.